5 homemade pastes to relieve toothache pain. Cloves are a well-known remedy for toothaches because of their natural analgesic and antibacterial properties. They contain eugenol, which acts as a numbing agent and helps reduce inflammation. Just grind a few cloves into a fine powder using a mortar and pestle. Then mix the powder with a few drops of water to form a paste. To use the paste, simply apply it directly to the affected tooth or gum. After some time, rinse your mouth with warm water. Garlic is actually a really powerful antimicrobial agent that can help fight infection and reduce pain. It contains allicin, which has some pretty amazing antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Alright, here's how to make it. Just crush 1 garlic clove into a smooth paste. Then, add a pinch of salt to enhance its effectiveness. To use it, simply apply the paste to the painful area. After 10 minutes, rinse your mouth thoroughly with warm water to remove any residue. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial agent. It contains curcumin, which helps reduce swelling and pain. So here's how to make it. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with a few drops of water to create a thick paste. And to use it, just apply the paste to the affected tooth after 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, rinse your mouth with warm water. The combination of salt and pepper creates a simple yet effective remedy for toothache relief. Salt has antibacterial properties, while pepper helps reduce inflammation. How to mix equal parts of salt and black pepper, about half a teaspoon each, with a few drops of water to form a paste. How to use: apply the paste to the aching tooth or gum. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing your mouth with warm water. Baking soda is a natural alkalizing agent that can help neutralize acids and reduce discomfort. It also has mild antibacterial properties. How to mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with just a few drops of water to create a paste. How to use: apply the paste to the affected area using a cotton swab or a clean fingertip. After 5 minutes, rinse your mouth with warm water.